Hello and welcome to another update video about ONDO. ONDO, a great example of a stock that we're updating in our membership for gold members, a chart that is not regularly covered on YouTube. Now that we're approaching the next resistance range, we want to take a look at this chart. Did receive a few questions about ONDO, so wanted to take a look at the chart in a little bit more detail to explain. But overall, yeah, I mean, the time to get in was this support area. At the moment, there is no setup, at least no pullback trade setup, Elliott Wave setup. We might be working here on a 5-wave move up. Normally, I want the fifth wave of a third wave. So a third wave, yeah. So if we have a wave 1, a wave 2, then a third wave should reach the 138% extension or higher. We're not there yet. So it's very much possible we get there in a direct fashion. If we get a pullback before, then this could rather be seen as an opportunity, right? Not from a short trade point of view, but more like getting another position, because the price did turn up, or the bulls turned up in this support area exactly where they needed to, and where we had a, let's say, a good reward to risk ratio. Yeah, it was communicated some weeks ago on Discord, and it was great. We caught exactly the low. So these are kind of the updates you get in the gold membership. So here, that was on the 4th of November. The bulls ideally turn up before the price breaks below 55.7 cents. And that was our setup, right? So a first 5-wave move to the upside, which leads to a break above 76 cents, should be a first signal that a low has formed. So this was our setup exactly at 60 cents. That's, I think, where they turned up. In a support area deep in the Fibonacci support for a possible wave 2. That's what these boxes are for, where the price should turn around. It doesn't always do that, but if it breaks below, then at least we know an alternative scenario is playing out, and we get a very clear invalidation point with Elliott Wave, so that risk remains low and reward high, because it seems to be following through now here with this projected wave count that we had on the chart. Back to the ONDO chart. No, this is XRP. This is Veil. Let me find out. I just have too many charts open these days. Okay, so this is the ONDO chart. Yeah, as you can see, we formed another possible 5-wave move up from the low, but it is messy. So I don't have a very clear micro. I mean, it looks like another 5-wave move up, but it's very long. Could it be a 1, 2, and another 1, 2 as per yellow here, the yellow count? Yes. But then, first of all, the direct trend remains up still. The third wave is a bit short, so I cannot rule out that something different is playing out here. I can tell you I don't like the structure of this move up. It's not very clear to me. And it could still extend a little bit higher. But if there is another pullback from here, then what would be the support area? In case we get another pullback, the only support area they can really offer is, again, the area between the 78.6 retracement and the 38.2 retracement. So we talk about the area between 65 cents and 82 cents, but it would require, I mean, at least some kind of a break below the previous swing low here, a sustained break below 91 cents to indicate that this wave 2 has started, because if we don't even get to $1.15, I would probably see this pullback as another wave 2. So that we have a 1-2 here, a 1-2, 1-2 setup, or maybe it's even, because this microstructure is a bit difficult to read, maybe we're dealing with a 1, 2, and then an A, B, C in wave 3 rather. So it's going to be a bit messy, but overall, the support levels wouldn't change. I would say, first of all, we need to see how high does this move go. And if there is a pullback now, this is the area that I would watch to see if the bulls come in, you know, or if buyers step in. Because I received the question, you know, could we get another ABC structure to the downside before the third wave finishes? Well, yeah, if it's a diagonal, yes, but the trend, the direct trend is up anyway at the moment, right? So it's more like this is at the moment the risk area. We have moved up quite a bit. Next pullback could be an opportunity. Could it move up directly? Yes, but there's no evidence for that at this stage. So at the moment, we're still printing higher highs, higher lows, but the structure at the moment, it looks very fragile to me. But still printing higher highs, higher lows. So I think it could be another opportunity if we are getting that dip, possibly targeting 82 cents to 77 cents next. And I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. And also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.